Welcome to our channel. Today, we uncover the hidden impact of inadequate energy intake on female athletes' health and muscle response. A groundbreaking study led by PhD student Mikkel Oxfeldt and Associate Professor Mette Hansen from the Department of Public Health at Aarhus University has unveiled some surprising findings, which were published in the Journal of Physiology. Did you know that many elite female athletes and active women often do not match their energy intake with their training expenditure? This study reveals that insufficient energy intake negatively affects the muscle's ability to respond to training. In fact, after just 10 days of reduced energy intake, researchers observed changes in the hormonal system, leading to a decrease in metabolism. But the consequences don't end there. Insufficient energy intake can disrupt women's menstrual cycles and hinder processes crucial for building new muscle proteins. To investigate these effects, 30 fit women between the ages of 18 and 30 participated in a 3-week study. Under the careful supervision of researchers, they followed a precisely controlled training and diet regimen. The researchers left no stone unturned. They meticulously monitored every aspect of the participants' training program and provided their meals. By analyzing muscle tissue samples and using tracer techniques, the researchers gained detailed insight into how the muscles responded to the experimental protocol. But this study goes beyond challenging the prevailing notion that weight loss leads to athletic success. It emphasizes the need to confront the unilateral focus on weight in sports and promotes a more nuanced understanding of the potential side effects. Building on these findings, researchers are collaborating with colleagues from the University of Copenhagen and the University of Southern Denmark. Together, they aim to investigate how inadequate energy intake affects physical performance, the immune system, and metabolism. Their goal? Uncovering any potential differences between how women's and men's bodies respond to insufficient energy intake. As we strive for excellence in sports, let us remember the critical role of maintaining an appropriate energy balance for female athletes. By understanding the impact of energy intake on their health and muscle response, we can support them in reaching their full potential. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating research updates.